Bart,
But I think of mid-February as like about the coldest time. I mean, we'll still get a blizzard in March or May or whatever, but like as far as consistent cold, frigid temperatures, I think this may be the coldest.
You should be the next Punxsutawney Phil.
2020 did something for you. You've been real positive, Pete, lately.
Always been positive.
Have you? Are you sure?
Bad
We
rap.
should talk about this. I mean, look, glass half empty, right? Half full. Half full. Bart's glass half full. I always get that wrong. Cheyenne Mountain here showing the view above the clouds. You can actually see a little bit of clearing taking place here. You can see the view of downtown Colorado Springs. So some of us are getting a little filtered sunshine as the sun is beginning to set. Man, Springfield, I feel heart's going out to you a little bit. You haven't seen sunshine since Saturday, maybe Sunday, early Sunday, but it's just been the frozen tundra here in the southeastern plains, looking more like, you know, Fairbanks, Alaska than it is Springfield, Colorado. So it has been very cold. You can see the precipitation just kind of frozen on the poles there, and certainly looking very dismal. Let's talk temperatures right now. We have still got a lot of cold air dipping all the way across parts of South Texas. Can you believe it? Temperatures in the teens and 20s, even in the Red River Valley of Texas. We're in the single digits and below zero right now. Actual air surface temperatures there in North Dakota. This front has certainly plagued most of the U.S. with very cold temperatures across the region, and even colder air is going to begin to scoot down overnight tonight and through the day Friday, but that will be located right here across parts of the Intermountain West and northern areas of Montana. So by Friday, near record cold will be ongoing across the eastern Colorado and parts of western Kansas and western Nebraska, and eventually that will make its way into southern Colorado for the entire weekend. So it's going to be a pretty cold weekend ahead. What is going to help push that cold air across the region is going to be this area of low pressure right now that you're looking at just off the Pacific coast there, and you'll notice that will swing ashore through Friday. So that is actually going to be the system that ushers in some moisture for us, and then that low pressure center also pushing down to give us those colder temperatures. So it looks like we're going to have a decent event here this weekend for the mountains, getting some snow, and having said that, we're going to have some snow ourselves here, likely for the weekend. Right now, that system is located just about 200 miles west of the California coastline. We will start to see clouds increase by Friday. So again, for the next 24 to 48 hours, or 24 to 36 hours, we'll have a little bit of sunshine on Thursday, so it won't be quite as dismal tomorrow. We do expect those clouds to clear out overnight tonight, so expect a bit of a milder and sunny day on Thursday, and then snow really starts to increase here across the central and northern mountains as we move through Thursday night, and then Friday it will be a bit more widespread. So enjoy the day tomorrow. Areas along and south of high 70, and then the Arkansas River Valley will be a bit cooler, or a bit warmer, I should say, but we're still going to have a lot of cloud cover in place for our friends across the eastern plains. Here we go through Friday. This is where things change just a bit. We'll be back under the cloud cover. Probably a pretty foggy morning for Pueblo County, Colorado Springs. A lot of snow across parts of the San Juans, the Sangre de Cristos up to the central mountains. And then that system will start to send a front through our region, as we were just denoting, right through Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. So the fog is really going to be a big problem beginning for the weekend. And then the chance that we're going to start to see some widespread snow across the region after the noon hour on Saturday. Some of the models are starting to really point at more of a region-wide snow event for a Saturday afternoon and heading into early Sunday. Don't let this scare you just yet. It's not looking overly promising. This is a low resolution model, so sometimes this can be overblown just a bit. But I think the key message here is going to be the cold temperatures, and even just a little bit of snow across the region is going to cause some travel concerns through the weekend time frame. So for Valentine's Day, it's looking pretty chilly across the region. Overnight lows will be below zero going into Saturday night into Sunday morning. And we are expecting some pretty foggy and dismal conditions through the entire weekend for all of our zones, including Pueblo County, Fremont County. So one more day tomorrow where we'll see a little bit of sunshine and some more pleasant temperatures if we can get these clouds to clear out, which we expect that to happen tonight. And enjoy it, soak it up, because it's going to be a pretty gray weekend ahead. Back to you guys.
Ooh, it looks frigid. Oh my goodness. No thanks.
Bundle up.
All right, we are tracking prices at the pump